Good morning. Today in this lecture we will start our new chapter of science, that is chapter number 12, reproduction in plants. Okay, what is that? Reproduction in plants. So students, we know that we see reproduction everywhere, and why it reproduction needed for generation of the same species again and again. कोई भी चीज़ का जनरेशन और रिप्रोडक्शन ज़रूरी है, तभी रिप्रोडक्शन के बाद ही हमको वही टाइप की दूसरी सेम या सिमिलर चीज़ मिलती है ना. दैट्स वाई रिप्रोडक्शन इज़ नीडेड. तो रिप्रोडक्शन से ही हमको एक ही टाइप के प्लांट्स हर जगह देखने को मिलते हैं, एक ही टाइप्स के एनिमल, वेदर दीज आर यूजफुल और हार्मफुल, स्टिल वी गेट again and again the same type of animals. As well, we are also as a result of reproduction of our parents. Okay, so human being also can reproduce, and new type of human being, new generation we will get by the process of reproduction. So reproduction is the process by which we get the same species again and again, by which we get the same species again and again. Means reproduction, what is the definition? To produce or generate the same species again and again. This process is known as reproduction, and it happens among plants, among animals, among human beings as well. But the method of reproduction we see everywhere, these are different. We can see there are different methods for the reproduction. So basically two types of reproduction we can see. One is asexual reproduction, another is sexual reproduction. These two types of reproduction happen, and in case of plants and in case of some animals we can see asexual reproduction, but in case of human being only sexual reproduction happen. So what is mean by sexual and asexual reproduction, that we will discuss. Asexual reproduction is that type of reproduction in that only one type of parent required, only one type of parent required, only one parent required. And for the sexual reproduction, both male and female parent required, both male and female parent required. We will see. So asexual reproduction happen due to one single parent, and sexual reproduction happen due to two types of parents, that is male parent and female parent. So here in case of sexual reproduction, fusion or fertilization process happen, and for what that fertilization process happen? For the male and female gamete. In that I will explain you. Suppose by example I will explain that. Suppose here male is present and female is present. In animal also male and female we get. In plant also excuse me. In case of plant also we can see male and female organs, male and female gamete we get from male and female special organ of the plants. So one by one we will discuss here. Suppose we will take here one example of human being, reproduction of human being. This is a male, this is female. This male will generate male gamete and female will generate its female gamete. Suppose that male will generate male gamete, that is called as sperms, and female will generate the female gamete, that is called as egg. And due to process of the fusion or mating, that sperm and egg get fertilized. Get fertilized means fusion will happen of that male and female gamete, and this fusion is particularly known as fertilization process. As a result of that fertilization of male and female gamete, zygote is formed, and this zygote again get converted into embryo, and through that embryo we generate, means we human being generate. Okay, so in this manner human being reproduce their generations. So we are also as a result of reproduction of our parent. Okay, so in animal also same type of similar type of reproduction happen. Male animal reproduce the male gamete, and female animal reproduce the female gamete, and this male and female gamete fertilize, they mate with each other and get fertilized, and after fertilization there also zygote preparation happen, zygote is formed, and this zygote will convert into embryo, and that similar type of similar species, animal of that similar species will regenerate or reproduce. So in plants also there are male and female gamete. This is here inside the flower, male and female both gametes are present. This is a female gamete and these are the male gamete. So from that female gamete, female gametes are from that female organ, female gametes are reproduced here, and from that male organ male gametes are produced, and all the two gametes get fertilized here inside that ovary here, and then the zygote formation will be there, and after zygote embryo will form, and then fruit will form, and that inside that fruit seeds will be there. We know that very well, inside the fruit seeds are there. One single seed also may be there, or multiple seeds also may be there, and from that seed we know that very well new plant we get of that same species. मतलब मैंगो का सीड है तो मैंगो का ही प्लांट हमको मिलेगा, गवा का प्लांट है सीड है तो गवा का ही प्लांट हमको मिलेगा. सो सिमिलर स्पेसीज वी कैन गेट, मीन्स सिमिलर species here can regenerate by the seeds, and that seed is formed by that fertilization of male and female gamete. In this manner sexual reproduction happen. But what about that asexual reproduction? In asexual reproduction only one single parent is able to generate the same species. अंडरस्टैंड, मतलब एक सेम टाइप का प्लांट जो है उसका एक सिंगल पेरेंट ही उसके लिए इनफ है जो कि नया वही सिमिलर स्पेसीज का प्लांट रिप्रोड्यूस कर सकेगा. सो मतलब एक ही टाइप का प्लांट प्रोड्यूस होने के लिए एक ही पेरेंट की ज़रूरत होती है. दैट्स वाई इट इज़ नोन एज असेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन. उसमें कोई सेक्स डिफरेंट टू टाइप्स ऑफ सेक्स की ज़रूरत नहीं है. तो asexual reproduction is also of 4 types, that is vegetative propagation. Mainly these are of 4 types. One is vegetative propagation, second is budding, third one is fragmentation, and fourth one is spore formation. This type of asexual reproduction happen in case of plants. Okay, so in this year, particularly in our 7th standard, we will learn reproduction in plants. In this chapter we are learning reproduction in plants specifically, so that we will discuss about the reproduction in plants here. At first we will discuss about the asexual reproduction in case of plants. So students, we know that plants are having 2 types of part. Plants are having 2 types of part, which are that one is vegetative parts, one type of parts are vegetative parts, and another is reproductive part. So by using this reproductive part, reproduction happens. This type is sexual reproduction. Okay, by using this reproductive part inside the plant, sexual reproduction happen only. Okay, but here for asexual reproduction, these vegetative parts are used. These vegetative parts of plant work for the asexual reproduction inside the plant. Okay, so which are that vegetative parts? Roots, stems and leaves. These three parts are called vegetative parts of the plants, and these three parts work for the asexual reproduction in the plant. Okay, is that clear? Then which is the reproductive part of the plant? So flower is the only reproductive part of the plant, and by using this flower, sexual reproduction happen inside the plant. Both we will discuss here one by one. At first we will discuss about the asexual reproduction in the plants. Okay, so asexual reproduction is of four types. Vegetative propagation, this happen inside the rose. This happen, example for that, rose plant. In rose plant we can see that vegetative propagation type of, then budding, then fragmentation. Budding happen inside the yeast. Fragmentation, third type, this happen inside the algae. And fourth one is spore formation. This happen inside the fungi. Okay, so one by one we will discuss. At first we will discuss the vegetative propagation in detail. That vegetative propagation also are some types. We will see in that some methods that we will discuss. At first we will discuss vegetative propagation, that is first type of asexual reproduction. So here for that vegetative propagation, first type is stem cutting, second is sprouting from eye, then buds in the margin of leaves. Buds in the margin of leaves. So vegetative propagation, under the vegetative propagation we will discuss here stem cutting method, sprouting from eye and buds in the margin of leaves. This stem cutting we can see in case of rose plant, in case of sugar cane plant also. In this type of plant, the reproduction of plant, asexual reproduction of this plant happen by the stem cutting process, by the stem cutting process. Then the next, sprouting from eye. This type of reproduction we can see in case of potato plant, in case of ginger plant, that we will discuss. Then the next is buds in the margin of leaves. Buds in the margin of leaves, that we can see inside the bryophyllum plants, inside the bryophyllum plants. So how this happen, that we will discuss here. First type vegetative propagation, that is stem cutting. The first type of vegetative propagation is stem cutting. Here stem cutting. So under the stem cutting, first example is rose plant or sugar cane plant. So I have taken here example of rose plant. We can see the branch of rose plant is like that. Here what we have to do, for that stem cutting, we have to cut that stem from this type, from this portion. So that stem cutting, for that stem cutting process, one very important condition we should follow, which is that stem should have axil. The stem should have axil. Axil is the partitions of the branch, partitions of the branch. That axil it should have. That axil it should have, and at that axil there is a bud. There is a presence of bud, and this presence of bud give the new branch of the plant. It will give the new branch of the plant. So through that bud, new branch will grow from that node. This is node. At the axil, this is the node. At this node, there is a presence of bud, and it should have, without that axil, without that node, without that bud, it is useless. That stem cutting will be useless. Okay. So condition is that that stem should include that buds. Okay. So we can see here, in this manner we have to cut that stem, and we will get the new plant when we will bury that stem inside the soil. ये soil में यदि हमने soil में यदि हमने ये bury किया, उसको डाला, तो यहाँ से ये बर्ड से न्यू ब्रांच ग्रो होगा और वहाँ से हमको न्यू रोज प्लांट मिलेगा. Similar thing will happen in case of sugarcane, and many of plants show this type of reproduction. In mint plant, see some different type. One branch of that mint plant will grow side by side, and when that branch will come in contact with soil, this is a soil, when it will come in contact with soil, the roots will grow here at the bottom of this stem, which came in contact with the soil. And if we will cut down that stem, that part of the stem, and we will plant it at another place, then we will get the new mint plant. मतलब यहाँ का जो पोर्शन है स्टेम का, वो कट करके यदि दूसरी जगह पर हमने प्लांटेशन किया, तो वहाँ से हमको और एक नया मिंट प्लांट मिलेगा, और ये ऐसे ही फैलता जाता है. रोज प्लांट का भी ये स्टेम कटिंग हमने यहाँ पर दूसरी जगह पर प्लांटिंग किया, तो वहाँ से हमको नया रोज प्लांट मिलेगा. तो दिस टाइप ऑफ स्टेम कटिंग हैपन हियर. सेकंड इज पोटैटो plant. Second example is sprouting from eye. This we can see in case of potato. Here we will see, actually you can observe, in case of potato we can see there some birds, the green colored birds we can see here, and from that birds new plant can grow. New plant can grow if we will cut down this bud, this portion of that stem. Potatoes are nothing but the stems of the potato plant. पोटैटो क्या होते हैं? वो पोटैटो प्लांट के स्टेम ही होते हैं, और वहाँ से हमने ये स्टेम का पोर्शन ये आई के साथ कट किया. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? ये पोर्शन को बड़ के साथ यदि हमने कट किया तो इसको आई बोलते हैं. दिस इज द आई with the birds. If we cut down the stem and if we will plant that eye, then we will get the new potato plant. So this is the sprouting from an eye. This we can see in case of potato, in case of ginger also we can see. So ginger also show the sprouting from the eye. And next is bryophyllum. Here buds in the margin of the leaves, buds in the margin of the leaf we can observe here. So this is the leaf of bryophyllum. Here at the margin buds are present, and if we will plant that bud, then we will get the new bryophyllum plant. If that leaf will come in contact with soil directly, so after some time from that buds new plants will grow of bryophyllum. Okay. Again one type of vegetative propagation is there. One vegetative part also we can use, that is root. Directly root can also we plant. In case of sweet potato we can see that sweet potato directly that root we can plant, and we will get the new sweet potato plant. Okay. So this was about the vegetative propagation type of asexual reproduction. So I hope you understood that. Here is the rose plant. Here we have to cut that stem with the nodes, with the axil, with the nodes we have to cut that. That is the condition. Here I am cutting in case of ginger and potato. Here in case of bryophyllum, I cut margins. From margins we get the new plants. Okay. So we will discuss in our next lecture next type of asexual reproduction, that is budding. Budding we will discuss here. We can see here budding. We can see in case of yeast. Okay.